30-day low-carb diet ketosis plan, day 7. In breakfast. Zucchini muffins. Ingredients for zucchini muffins. 1 cup Atkins bake mix. 1 cup finely ground almonds. 1/2 cups granular sugar. Substitute 2 teaspoons cinnamon. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 cup canola oil. 4 eggs. 1 medium zucchini, coarsely grated. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Preheat oven to 350. Whisk together all dry ingredients in a large bowl. Mix wet ingredients, including zucchini, together in a medium bowl. Stir wet ingredients into dry mix slowly, blending well. Pour mixture into a greased 8x4 loaf pan or greased muffin tins, depending on your preference. Bake for approximately 1 hour until golden brown and toothpick comes out clean. Yields about 12 servings. Total net carbs, 3.5 grams per serving. In lunch. Tuna and avocado salad. Ingredients for tuna and avocado salad. 2 large hard-boiled eggs. 2 teaspoons hot sauce. 1 cup avocado, mashed. 1/2 cup onion, chopped. 1 can tuna. 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons pickle relish. Fresh lemon juice. Salt, to taste. Peel eggs and mince with dinner fork. Peel avocado and squeeze on 1/2 lemon juice to prevent discoloration. Mash avocado in with egg. Drain tuna and mix into egg, avocado, adding onions, mayonnaise, relish, salt and hot sauce. Stir well and serve over a bed of fresh lettuce. Yields 4 servings. Total net carbs, 9 grams per serving. In dinner. Dill trout. Ingredients for dill trout. 2 pounds pan-dressed trout or other small fish, fresh or frozen. 1-1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon pepper. 1/2 cup butter or margarine. 2 tablespoons dill weed. 3 tablespoons lemon juice. Cut fish lengthwise and spread open to season with salt and pepper. Prepare a fry pan with melted butter and dill weed. Place fish flesh side down and fry 2 to 3 minutes per side. Once done, remove fish and add lemon juice to butter and dill to create sauce for garnishing. Yields 6 servings. Total net carbs, 1 gram per serving. Total net carbs for day 7 based on a single serving per meal, 13.5 grams. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and do like, share and comment below.